Good morning, students to all. Here now we are starting our next this solutions up to question number 9. I have solved yesterday. I have told you. Here now we are starting question number 10. Okay. So now here this is the commerce stream and the science stream and the number of applicants in a college. Out of the variation is given for the girls and the boys. Okay. So here we are starting. This is the number of applicants in a college. Okay, so here we have this question number 10. Year wise it is given. Okay. So this is year. Here we can take science, commerce, and the grand total. Here again we can take boys, girls total. Boys, girls total, and again boys, girls total. Okay. So first is 2000 year 2015. Okay. Here are the total 1500 applicants in the college for the year 2015, total 1500 applicants, out of which 900 belong to the commerce stream, 900 are for the commerce stream, and the rest 600 will be for the science stream. Easily we can calculate this. Now the next one, the number of girls was 600, total girls was 600, out of 230 were for the science stream, 230, so 600 minus 230 is comes out at 370. Here the remaining we will calculate, again 370 here, and this comes out at 0. 530. Okay. Now, next year 2016, the total number of applicants was 2500, out of which 1800 were boys. Okay. We are not having a separate column for the boys. The number of students from science stream was 1600. Science stream students was 1600. So 2500 minus 1600, it comes out as 900. Out of which the number of students from science stream was 1600, out of which 450 were girls. 450 were girls. So it comes out at 0. 1150 as for the boys for the science stream. Here the number of 450 here were girls, and now the remaining science stream 1600 were girls and 450 were girls. Okay, done. So total 1800 boys were there. 1150 total 1800 boys. 1800 minus 1150. 650 and 250 as over here. It is the solution of the question number 10. Here now we are starting question number 11 also, completing the chapter. Okay. So for question number 11, here it is the variety given are too much textile, non-textile, experience, unexperienced. So here we will take the category as first of all title, number of applicants, number of interviews for a factory. So first we will take here experienced and inexperienced. Again we are taking over here textile, non-textile, again married, unmarried, total, married, unmarried, total. Here this is grand total. Now, first of all, it is given out of 1650 person interviewed for 450 were from the textile. Here we will take the total as total interviews were 1650. So grand total. Total was 1650, out of which 450 were for the textile. Means remaining 1200 will be for the non-textile. Okay, 1200. 1200 will be for the non-textile. Next, among the married men who belong to the textile areas, 210 were experienced and 65 were unexperienced. Okay, inexperienced 65. Again, while for non-textile areas, the corresponding figures are experienced 46 and unexperienced 505. Done? Just see very carefully. The total number of experienced persons was 900. Total number of experienced were 900. Inexperienced were 900. Okay, inexperienced की line है. Of whom 91 resided in the textile areas. 900 में से 91 इसकी हैं. तो यानी कि मैरिड 65 है, टोटल 91 है, तो रिमेनिंग 91 माइनस 65 ये आ जाएगा 26 ओवर हियर एंड हियर दिस इज 900 माइनस 91, दिस कम्स आउट एज 809 for this non-textile. The remaining will be the unexperienced as 304. Okay. Present the following information in the given data. Now here we can calculate the remaining figures also. Here this is total is 450 for the textile areas. 450 minus 91. 359 and remaining we can calculate 359 minus 210 149. Again 1200 minus 809 391. 46 गिनोगे तो रिमेनिंग आपके आ जाएगा बेटा 391 minus 46 345. Okay, we are going to write okay, like this way we will solve it. So here the chapter finishes. Tabulation. The next June class will start the diagrammatic presentation. Okay.